So let's make the crunchy salad. A pot of boiling water. Potatoes, I like the skin on, the red bliss, but you can use any potatoes. Just try to get them all the same size. And keep in mind, this is a salad, so you don't want big pieces. Let's put that in the... Okay. Then we'll put the string beans. I think these are clean, but just the tip. And we'll leave them like this whole. Once the potatoes are halfway done, we'll throw in the string beans right in there, and they'll finish cooking together. And the cucumber, let's just cut it. I like it in half moon, like that. Okay. Some red onion. So I'm feeling this it's a little dry, so just get to the good part. Let's take that out. Okay, so here we are. And I like a little crunch to the onion, so not too thin, but you know, you can dice it, you can cut it any way you think. We can make the dressing. So let's put some oil. For a dressing, usually 2/3 of olive oil to 1/3 of the acidity, the vinegar. Although I do like my salad a little bit more acidic. A little bit of salt, a little bit of fresh pepper. Okay, that's ready. Let's check where the potatoes are. Let's throw in the string beans. Beans are one of those unique vegetables that are great when they're fresh and green, but then they're also very good to preserve and to keep for those winter months. So Grandma would have this, there's beans that are flat, the bush beans, the climbing beans, whatever, but Grandma would let them kind of mature in the land until the leaves got dry. And then she would pluck the whole plant with the pods and all of that on, and she would put it to hang to dry almost, like on a clothesline with the toothpicks in the sun. And when that whole plant was dry and the pods were really dry, we would pluck away the pods, open the pods, and save the beans, the dry beans. Then we would leave them in the sun some more to really dry, and that was our winter stash. So the potatoes and the string beans are cooked. They have cooled off. Just a little bit of salt like this. Then let's put this right in. I'm going to toss it, and if there's any need for additional dressing, I'll just add the oil or the vinegar, whatever it needs. Because, you know, the potatoes are starchy and they take in the dressing. And that's the good part of it, you know, when you get a potato in your mouth and it has that acidity and that little bit of oil dressing. That looks good. Delicious and perfect. Great salad. And this is a salad that will keep. It won't wilt on you. So if you have a nice buffet and you want to grill your pizzas, take the time to grill the pizza, the salad could be ready and waiting.